this was a really good dollar run this morning, guys. Dollar run is 100 points. Okay, so that's what you're trying to achieve on a daily basis. Now, this came out, news came out at 11 a.m. this morning. So that window of opportunity when you're trading US shares in the London session, you know, you start looking at 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so that's London time. Nothing going on here, and then suddenly it pops up. Now, you may not have got this with the scanner. It came up pretty quickly, but it was the second move here. Okay, so we got the momentum trigger, green pointing up, Pro Trading System pointing up with green, tracks are green, that's a go, that's a buy. Now you're talking around $5.20 here, pushes all the way up, 650, 660, 678, nearly 680. So well over $1 run here on Acon. Very nice move to the upside. So you can see the power of our colors here. Keep it really simple. You need to keep it really simple when you're going for those morning moves. Acon here, that morning move was just very nice indeed. Came up on the scanner first, took the second signal here. Nice push up, over $1 run there, guys. Okay, day's done. It's now, what, 11:20. You can stop trading for the day. The next window of opportunity is at 12:30. All right, so you've got all this time to do whatever you want for the rest of the day. 12:30, be running the scanner again to seeing those next moves. You tend to get lesser volume from now onwards, so I'll be waiting for the next move and running the scanners. Waiting for those green colors to buy these US shares in extended hours. Hope it helps. Speak to you soon.